Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you the basics of Autodesk Inventor. Right down here is basically where all of your parts are going to show up and your assemblies and stuff like that. Over here is all the basics, where you can start your assemblies, your parts, your presentations, your drawings. Right here is where you can do projects, shortcuts, file details. Projects are important if you have something big that you have multiple parts or assemblies that are going into. Okay, so to start, you generally start with the part. You can click new part right here, or you can go here and then click standard.ipt. Now the IPT stands for Inventor Part, IAM stands for Inventor Assembly, IDW stands for Inventor Inventor Drawing, and then IPN stands for Inventor Presentation. Basically, pretty basic stuff. So I'm just gonna start a part. And basically, once you start a part, you're gonna want to start a 2D sketch. I generally draw on the XY plane, but it can change depending on what you're drawing. You might want to start from this plane, which is basically like the floor. This would be like a wall or a chalkboard. Yeah, you can imagine it as like a chalkboard that you would be drawing on. Okay. And then, so today we're gonna make a wheel. So we're gonna start with a circle. I'm just gonna make this wheel 1 inch in diameter. And then I'm just gonna start off with the circle. It's gonna be very basics, just the very basics of Inventor, nothing too crazy. We're gonna finish our sketch, and then we're gonna extrude. And let's see, we can probably extrude this 0.02. That's a bit thin. 0.05. That's probably better. 0.05 inches. Oh, oops. So this is what your a wheel is gonna look like. That's the extrude function. It just extrudes anything from your drawing. Okay, next we're gonna make some holes in the wheel. So we're gonna make a new sketch right on the front of the wheel, and then we will take. We can just draw a line straight up, and then we can draw a line like this, and then we'll take one more line. Let's see, you can just put this anywhere you want. Actually, no, you don't need this line. I take that back, just delete that one. You have these two lines, and then you can dimension their angles. So you'll just click the dimension key, and then click on both of them, and then we'll have a 15-degree angle. Let me just constrain this, make it a horizontal constraint. Oh, wrong one. Horizontal constraint. Let me just delete the constraint. Show all constraints. Delete. That's how you delete a constraint, just in case you need to do that for any reason if you put on the wrong constraint. Then just click that. There. Now it is constrained horizontally. And then what we will do is we will take a line. Here. We'll take a circle and, I don't know, maybe about 0.2 right there. And then we will make another circle at about, actually we'll just put that there, dimension it from here. Actually, let's project this. Projecting, basically what it does is it creates a line on this current sketch from a line in a different sketch, or from an edge of a model that's not in this current sketch. And then we'll dimension the distance between here as 0.2 as well. That's kind of large. How about we make this 0.1? Oh, not 0.2 again. 0.1. That's better. Okay. And then what you're going to want to do is click escape to get out of dimension mode, and then take your trim tool and then trim all the unwanted lines, like all of this stuff. And then you have one kind of little section that will come out of your wheel. You can also delete this and this. And you might be thinking to yourself, wow, that's only just one little slot in the wheel. But with the circular tool, you can take this shape, select it all, and then select the axes. We'll just say this, and see, it'll give you, for example, I have 6 right here, so it'll give you a little like outline of what it might look like when it's done. So I think 6 isn't enough. Let's try 8. 8, that looks good. And then you click OK. And that's basically what the circular tool does. It just duplicates whatever shape that you made around an axis. For the axis we use is just the center axis. But yeah, very simple. Then you just finish your sketch. And then to cut a hole, what you do is go back to the extrude. You select all of these. Oh, whoops. Let me just do that again. Oh god, I keep doing that. Control, okay. By the way, if you want to unselect something, you just click Control, then you click on whatever you want to deselect. Then you choose everything, and then what you want to do is go to this, and then to next face/body. And basically what this does is instead of extruding it outwards, it cuts into your the other extrusion that you had to the far enough to the other face so that it goes all the way through. And then you just click OK. And now we have a bunch of holes in our wheel. And then, well, obviously wheels are generally have curves on them, so we're just gonna add a bunch of fillets. That's a lot. 1.25 is too much. 1.02. Is that good? Yeah. 0.02 is good. I'm just gonna add fillets right there. Fillets are for this fillet would be useful so the wheel doesn't have as much contact on the ground, less friction. But they're mainly used to make edges not as sharp. For if you're doing like prototyping for, I don't know, a children's toy or something, you'd put fillets on so they're so kids can't hurt themselves with them. They're also used just for like to make it look better. For these ones, I'll put a smaller fillet, just 0.01, and then you just put it wherever you see fit, basically, until you're done. I will skip to when I'm done. Okay, so now I basically just, oh, I forgot some. Here we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, a few more. Man. There we go. I think everything has been filleted. Yep. So now the wheel's done, I guess. Actually, an important thing. I guess you could add a hole right here to attach an axle to it. Just 0.65 is good. Then extrude like we did before to next body. And there you go. This is a wheel. Oh, I guess I forgot to fill it this side at 0.2. There. Okay. Yeah, that's the very basics. If you want me to, oh my god, did I really forget another one? Okay, that is the very basics of Autodesk Inventor. Oh god, I forgot another one. God, that's embarrassing. Anyways, that is the very basics of Autodesk Inventor, how to use extrude, how to use fillet, stuff like that, drawings, the circular tool. Yeah, that is the first episode. If you guys want to see more, just let me know. But yeah.